Welcome to the magical forest of Sundarvana, where the trees whisper secrets and the animals live in harmony until trouble arrives. In today's story, meet the clever and witty fox Tenali, who outsmarts a greedy lion king and exposes a tricky crow. What happens when greed takes over a jungle? And how can one fox save everyone with just his brain? Stay tuned for two brilliant tales packed with fun, wisdom, and a big twist at the end. Let's dive into the jungle adventure of Tenali the Fox, Tales from Sundarvana. Once upon a time in the dense and vibrant jungle of Sundarvana, there lived a clever fox named Tenali. He was known throughout the forest for his sharp wit, problem-solving skills, and humorous ways of teaching important lessons. The greedy Lion King. The jungle was ruled by a majestic but greedy lion named Singhasena. Though powerful, Singhasena had a flaw: he always wanted more tribute from the animals than necessary. Every month, all the animals would bring offerings, fruits, honeycombs, flowers, and more, to please King Singhasena. But one day, the lion roared, "From now on, I want double the offerings, or else." The animals were troubled. "We already give all we can," cried the monkey. "What will be left for our families?" sighed the deer. The jungle was tense with fear and worry. That's when wise Tenali the fox stepped forward. Tenali's clever plan. Tenali went to the lion and said, "Your Majesty, I have a secret treasure that will make you richer than ever. But I need to perform a secret forest ritual first. It's dangerous, so no one must disturb me." The greedy lion's eyes sparkled. "Do it! Do it now!" he ordered. Tenali chose a quiet spot under a banyan tree and sat beside a large, empty pot. For 3 days, he pretended to chant and meditate. Curious animals gathered at a distance. On the 4th day, the lion came roaring, "Where is the treasure?" Tenali pointed to the empty pot and said, "The forest spirits said, greed turns treasure into emptiness. Your Highness, your greed scared the magic away." Singhasena was furious, but he noticed the mocking smiles of the animals around. He suddenly realized his greed had made him a fool. The lion learns. Embarrassed but wiser, Singhasena announced, "From now on, only fair offerings shall be accepted. The jungle must stay happy and peaceful." All the animals cheered, and Tenali the fox bowed with a smile. Moral of the story: too much greed will leave you with nothing. Like the lion, those who always want more may end up with less than they had. Would you like more such animal-based Tenali Rama stories? I can write a whole series. If you enjoyed this tale from the forest, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such wise and fun-filled stories. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a twist in the jungle. This is your ancient wisdom through the paws and claws of the forest. Until next time, stay wise, stay wild. Tenali the Fox, Tales from Sundarvana Jungle. Two clever adventures of the witty fox with forest morals. In the heart of the lush and lively jungle of Sundarvana lived a wise and witty fox named Tenali. His intelligence had become the talk of the forest, especially after he taught the greedy Lion King Singhasena an unforgettable lesson about greed. But Tenali's cleverness wasn't limited to kings. He also helped the innocent animals stay safe from tricksters and taught them valuable lessons in his witty ways. Let's journey deeper into the jungle for Tenali's second adventure: the cunning crow and the magical seeds. One pleasant morning, the animals of Sundarvana were excited. A stranger had arrived in the jungle, a shiny black crow wearing colorful feathers and golden beads. "Greetings, forest folk," cawed the crow. "I am Kaptak Kaka, the magical crow from the east. I bring you seeds that can grow golden trees. The animals were thrilled. Gold meant prosperity. The deer brought mangoes, the squirrels brought nuts, and even the tortoise brought sweet berries to exchange for the seeds. Tenali, watching from the shadows, raised an eyebrow. Golden trees from ordinary seeds? Tenali's trick to expose the crow. The next day, Tenali approached Kaptakaka with a fake limp and said, "Oh great crow, I am poor and hungry. I can offer you only a feather I found near the river. Please give me just one magical seed." Kaptakaka laughed, "Fine, beggar fox. One seed for one feather." Tenali took the seed and pretended to plant it under a tall ant hill. But secretly, he dug up the seed later and hid it. After a week, the other animals came running to the crow, crying, "Nothing has grown from the seeds." But the crow simply said, "You didn't plant them with the right chant. Only Tenali did it correctly. Look at his plant." The animals rushed to Tenali's anthill and gasped. There was a golden branch sticking out. "Wow!" they exclaimed. Kaptakaka smirked. "See? I told you. My seeds are magical." The final reveal. Tenali slowly stepped forward and pulled out the golden branch. It was painted wood wrapped in foil. He said, "This is what you believed was magic? My friends, gold doesn't grow from lies. This crow is a trickster, taking your food and laughing behind your wings." The jungle erupted in anger. Kaptakaka tried to fly away, but the birds pecked at him until he dropped all the stolen treats. He never returned to Sundarvana again. Wisdom returns to the jungle. Later that evening, the lion Singhasena invited Tenali to the great rock. "Tenali," he said, "you saved us again, not just from greed, but from being fooled." Tenali replied with a grin. "In the jungle or the palace, brains protect better than brawn." The animals cheered, and Sundarvana was once again safe and peaceful, all thanks to their witty fox. Moral 1. Too much greed will leave you with nothing. Greed made the lion lose his respect and almost his kingdom. Moral 2. Don't fall for flashy lies, use your mind before you trust. The crow fooled others with shiny promises, but truth and wisdom exposed him. If you enjoyed this tale from the forest, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such wise and fun-filled stories. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a twist in the jungle. This is bringing you ancient wisdom through the paws and claws of the forest. Until next time, stay wise, stay wild.